Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a POS, or point of sale terminal, works step by step. First, the process begins when the cashier scans the product barcode or enters the sale amount into the POS system. At this stage, the terminal records the item details, price, quantity, and total bill amount. Next, the customer chooses a payment method. They can pay by inserting a chip card, swiping a magnetic stripe card, tapping a contactless card, or using a mobile wallet such as a phone payment app. After that, the POS terminal reads the card or wallet information. If the customer inserts a chip card, the chip reader collects secure payment data. If the customer swipes the card, the magnetic stripe reader reads the card details. On the other hand, if the customer taps the card or phone, the NFC tap area reads the contactless payment information. Then, the terminal protects the payment details through encryption. This means the sensitive card information is changed into secure coded data before it is sent through the network. Afterwards, the encrypted transaction is sent from the POS terminal to the merchant's payment processor or acquiring bank. This communication usually happens through an internet connection, mobile network, or phone line. Next, the payment processor forwards the request to the correct card network, such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. The card network then routes the transaction to the customer's issuing bank. Then, the issuing bank checks important details such as available balance, card status, fraud risk, and PIN or signature verification if required. If everything is correct, the bank approves the transaction. However, if there is a problem such as insufficient funds or suspicious activity, the bank declines the payment. After that, the approval or decline message travels back through the card network and payment processor to the POS terminal. The terminal then displays the result on the screen so the cashier and customer can see whether the payment was successful. Finally, when the sale is approved, the POS terminal completes the transaction and prints or sends a receipt to the customer. At the same time, the sales record and inventory information may update automatically in the business system. In addition, the main parts of a POS terminal include the screen, keypad, chip reader, swipe reader, NFC tap area, receipt printer, and barcode scanner. Each part helps the business accept payments quickly, safely, and accurately. Moreover, after approval, the money is not always transferred instantly. The approved funds are later settled into the merchant's bank account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. So, in simple words, a POS terminal works by scanning the sale, reading the payment method, encrypting the data, sending it for bank approval, completing the sale, issuing a receipt, updating records, and later settling the money to the merchant. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.